So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and do is posterize out an image as well. So to do that, over here I have an image. So in order to apply the posterize effect to it, you need to go around under effects, then simply go around over here onto transform and choose posterize. Once you do that, the level of colors gets limited, as you can see right here, and it uses only certain poster colors. You can change around the level of the poster right here. So let's say, for example, I can really bring it down to, let's say, for example, only few poster colors, or increase it out as well. So as I do that, you can actually see that more level of details or less level of detail, level of color, that is the difference in color, actually shows up. And then you get a poster effect in your particular image right here. So you can go ahead and choose the one you like. You can disable and enable it, as you can see right here, just to see the difference, just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the posterize effect inside of images inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.